Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a classic, or will have for sale on the shipment, lot 11, the classic Honda XL250R in red. We're pricing it at 2.5. Usually I think we could push on 3,250, 3.5 if the bike was completely mint. It is a good condition bike. There are some little things with it though. 1982 model with only 9,732 miles on her. So condition wise, front wheel is in very good condition, same with the tyres, brand new. Front forks have no real signs of corrosion. Front gaiters are good. Front mudguard is in good condition also. No pitting on the front forks as you can see here. Slight crack in the headlamp assembly here where the screw is. Fading in the front sticker as well. Grips are good, and same with the levers. Tank on this left hand side is in nice condition. Same with the painted engine, some slight fading in the 250R sticker on the left hand side here. Rear swing arm good, and same with the rear alloy and tyre. We do have a brand new battery to go in here, that's what this is on, strapped on the back. And apart from that, nothing much else to say on the left hand side of the bike. Right hand side now we have again the wheel and the alloy itself, good condition. Rear swing arm, very good. Muffler on this side, also brilliant condition. Seat, great condition. Some signs of chipping away on the sticker on the left hand side here. Same with the 250R, like the right hand side. Here's where we come on to most of the marks. We do have the kind of imperfections on the tank here, as you can see in the paint. A dent here, and a dent up the top of the tank here as well. It's all there, all original though, very hard to find like this. You can see the two exhausts into one here. And then coming on to the front mudguard is in great condition also. Front gaiters good, and tyres as well. If you are interested in this bike, we are taking the €150 deposits on them. So if you want to get in contact with us on any of our social medias or numbers or emails, it'll all be Retro Bikes Dublin. You can find us there. Again, it's 2,500, only 9,732 miles on her. So if you have liked the video, please like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe as well. And we'll see you in the next one.